everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I tried to make a LEGO creation in under 3 minutes. Man has created many inventions in the past and the present. Brilliant inventions that makes our lives easier today and tomorrow. And we must prepare for what the future holds, including drones. And I will show you how to make this. And I will be introducing the pieces as I go along. So feel free to pause it any time in the video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with a 2x2 standard base plate in this light grey, and this is going to be the starting piece of our marvellous drone. And we're going to get 4 of these L plates, these L-shaped base plates, and we're going to stick them pointing outwards like this, in a nice cross. This is a symmetrical design, so I do want to make it symmetrical. We've got a nice little dark red cross. I do have it in dark red, but you can use any colour you like. I just couldn't find enough. So here we have side attachment base plates, or side attachment plates if you like to call them. 4 of them in this formation like this. In the center we want to attach a 2x2 standard base plate. I've got this in the bright yellow orange, and to connect 2 of them up we need a 2x4 standard base plate in yellow like this. Stick it on like so, and these double slope pieces, these dual slope pieces crossing over here to make sure our design is nice and strong. So there's the this is how to hold the drone up, basically. And on the side attachment plates, we're going to be attaching these base plates. And these are 1x2 standard base plates, but in translucent yellow. And I do believe that it does add a little bit of shine to our drone. And also it's kind of like warning lights as well. Now we're going to make the actual connectors of the blades, of the spinning blades. So we'll want a 2x2 wheel connect base plate, and on top of that a 2x2 tile, and I'm using it in orange, and that's basically it. So we want to make 4 of them because drones tend to have 4 rotors. So just snap, 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 and we've got them all done. So now we can connect them to our drone. We are going to connect them with the more sticking outside towards the drone, into the drone. I know this might sound a bit complicated, but it does work. Stick them like so, and as you can see now it can stand on those legs of it, and all we need now is rotor blades. So you can use any rotor blades if you like. If you want to make a bigger drone you can use bigger ones, but I'm using these small rotor blades, these 3 blade rotors. Just gonna stick them nicely into these connector pins, place it like this, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our drone is complete. And the ultimate reason why we have this drone here is because underneath we have this base plate, and this base plate will connect with any parcel that you kind of make. So I've got a demonstrating parcel over here. I've just used base plates stacked on top of each other with a jumper plate like this, and this drone can come in to land and hook up to that package and just fly off, and then it can drop it at someone's door. And this is a really, really nice kind of idea, you know, having houses in your city and then a drone coming and dropping them off. We need to embrace the future, people. But there is another use for this futuristic design. Not just delivering packages, but someone around this time needs to deliver some packages as well. Can you guess who it is? Me! Yes, that's right, Santa. So you can build presents, and I did show you how to make these presents in another video. Some presents, so do check that out if you want to build these presents as well. I do show how to make them, and surprisingly these presents are compatible as well. We can just stick them underneath the drone like this, even in even like this, and then it can just fly off automatically and drop them down chimneys, and Santa can put his feet up, having to not use his old-fashioned sleigh anymore. So yeah, but that's the end of the video. So I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to have not to deliver presents today. Hey!